Good morning, students. Today I want to discuss about a point, large number. This is also the first chapter of your mathematics. In this large number I want to discuss some topics like place value. Place value. One example is there, just like 1 2 5 7 9 8. I put a mark under 5. 5 के नीचे मैंने एक मार्क लगाया and I want to find out the place value of this 5. Place value is depend upon the position of that digit. Place value is depend upon the position of this digit. So let me check which one is the position of this digit. This is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. It means place value of this digit is 5000. Let me take one more example. Now 37982, this is 37,982, and I want to check the place value of this one. So what is the place value of this one? This is 7000. One more example, because this is 5000, this is 7000. You are thinking that place value is always in thousand only. No beta, this is not always in thousand. Let me take some another example about place values. This is 35982. This is 35,982. Okay, and I want to check place value of this digit. Okay, so now place value of this digit is 9, and after these two digits are there, so you must put only 20 here. Yes, this is 20. So place value of this 9 is 900. Means to say place value of a particular digit depend upon its position. In the same way, second point is face value. Now I want to discuss with you about face value. Face value. Example 37982, 37,982, and you want to find out the face value of this digit. Very simple beta. Face value means to say, let me give you some another example of your daily life. Your mother is saying you, suppose your name is Rohan. Your mother is saying you Rohan. Your father is also saying you Rohan. In the same way, your neighbor, they are also saying you Rohan. Your teachers, they are also saying you Rohan. Means to say, you are Rohan in the eyes of everybody. In the same way, this 3 itself is the face value of this digit. This digit is the face value itself. Means to say face value of this underlined digit is 3. Yes. One more example about face value. 798234. This is 7,98,234. And you want to find out the face value of this digit. This is underlined digit. Very simple beta. Face value. I told you face value of 8 is itself 8. Means to say everybody is saying that this is 8. That's why face value of this underlined digit is 8. Sometime question comes to your examination to find out the place value and face value of a single digit. Okay, let me let me take one example. This is 379823. Okay, and they are saying you in your examination कि find out the place value and face value of this digit and add it. Okay, firstly write down place value. Place value of this digit. This is 7 because place value depend upon its position. Means 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more digits are there. Yes, you just put 4 zeros after this. This is place value. Okay. About face value. Face value I told you. A number itself, its face value. And this is 7. Now, question is add both the values. Just add it. Okay, this is 70007. This is 70,007. So this is the answer. This is face value and place value. So many another questions are there in your mathematics. You can go for that questions also. But let me take one more example about place value. Okay, this is 57982. Write down the place value of these digits. Yes, this is unit place. Okay, 2. This is tens place, means this is 82. Yes, this is 80 in the place of tens. So this is 80. Okay, this is 900 and this is 7,000 and this is 5,000. 50,000. This is 50,000. So this is place values. By this way we can represent the place values of given digits. ठीक है बेटा? This is very simple topic about place value and face value. Now let me discuss with you another point. This is predecessor and successor. This is a very simple topic. Predecessor and successor. Let me discuss this thing with you. Means predecessor. Okay, predecessor means and successor means. Successor means +1 means next number. Predecessor means -1 means previous number. So let me take one example. One example is there. This is predecessor. This is predecessor. This is predecessor means previous number. Previous number. Or in mathematical we can say just subtract 1 from given number. Okay, just subtract 1 from given number. Okay, let me write subtract 1 from given number. Okay, this is predecessor. Now successor. Successor means next number. Next number. Next number, obviously. Next number means add 1. Okay, means add 1 in the given number. Add 1 in the given number. Let me take one or two more example. Let me take one example to clear this. Here I am taking 99. Then predecessor of 99 is 99 minus 1. This is 98. Okay, and what's about successor? Successor 99 plus 1, this is 100. So this is predecessor and successor. Means predecessor means previous number, means to say -1. Okay, आप क्या करेंगे, एक उसमें से माइनस कर देंगे. You will do only one thing, just subtract 1 from it. And about successor, just add 1 in the given number. This is your successor. This is a very simple topic, predecessor and successor. Now let me convert myself to another topic. This is national system and international system.